Hey guys, I've got to get going. Things have been too quiet around here for too long. I wonder, Blitzy, he's either sulking or sound asleep, and in either case, baby boy needs to go for a walk. He's getting too fat, like his dad. A little self-reflection is in order, and I apologize beforehand for the focus pumping in and out, but I can't avoid it. No, I've made a little Linux Babble video. Those tend to get the least views of all my views, even less than the John Deere videos, and I can understand that. It's pretty dry shit. Now, a little self-reflection is in order. I just posted the amp rant vid, right? And I'm watching the results, and I posted it, I don't know, half hour ago, maybe. And I started thinking about my channel, right? That's a pretty angry video. I haven't done a rant video in a while. So, let me show you the files for that video, right? Here is the thumb I used, right? And as I sat here, here's the file. And as I sat here doing a little channel reflection, let's call it. Let me get rid of this. Man, that is one ugly hombre right there. He's better looking than Uncle Blowzo is. Seriously. Most of us have between 2 and 4% Neanderthal DNA. I'd like to know what mine is. I had a coworker for a while that had 4%. One study said 4, one study said 6, and he was mighty damned proud. He used to, oddly, he loved meat, but he also loved mushrooms and insects. He enjoyed eating dead, mostly dried, usually, insects. But I digress. I did some self-reflection. Man, I did a video, and I'll link it below, where I was mighty pissed off. My feelings were hurt, man. Because I made a mention of one of my videos, and then other guys, and you'll see who, man. I'm not going to say his name now. It doesn't matter. And he sub-shamed me, man. He said, at least I don't have only, whatever, to the effect that, and he probably had over 100K subs, right? And he sub-shamed me and said, at least I've got more than one subscriber. And honestly, man, hey guys, that one sub I had was me. It was Chuck, you know. This was way before Uncle Blowzo was born. This was way before I started doing anything other than trying to escape the pain of my mangled left leg, man. And things evolve and time goes by, and today is today, and I did some self-reflection. I thought of that guy in that conversation. He emailed me, man, and sub-shamed me. He emailed me just to shame me, man. Can you freaking believe it? And I learned early on that there's some pretty mean-spirited, there's some YouTube creators out there that have some darkness in their hearts, man. They really do. Yeah, they're in it for the money, but they're also in it for the fun. It's straight up fun making videos, man. Once you get into it, you know, it's a lot of fun. You get to speak your mind. If people watch, great. If people don't watch, at least you got it off your chest. Right? And so I did some self-reflection. I'm circling back like Jen Piss Sucky. Circling back. We'll circle back to that. Oh, shit. Here we go. I'm off top. I'm drifting away. So I became a Neanderthal. I split into Uncle Blowzo and Chuck, and it's been a lot of fun, man. It's been a lot of fun, and boy, oh boy. That's how it all began. Except I had my ugly mug there with my Detroit Tiger baseball cap on. Is this what's going to happen? Will my channel now go down? Will it slide off the hill, boys? Are we in a downward slide toward the sea? It's crazy. It's fun. It's fun. I'm going to pause you. You want to see something funny? Hang on. Okay. This is the last thing I'm going to say. I thought you'd get a grin out of this. I did. I chuckled out loud. But then again, my name's Chuck. Bada boom. Okay, let's make this full screen. Let's zoom you in a little. Let's look at this. So, a rant vid compared to a Linux video. I posted the Linux video 4 hours ago. I posted the rant 20 minutes ago. Okay. This here video is 12 times as old, but it only has twice the views. Now then, let's look at this rant vid. Let's look at this screenshot. I'm sorry. Back it up, get you zoom in and get it centered. Now then, guys, does Uncle Blowzo suggest doing a rant video on your channel? Oh, I don't know. We'll have to wait and see which one of those other screenshots proves to be the case. The one with 1 sub or the other with 600 plus subs. It'll go one direction or the other. It'll either grow to 700 subs or to 1, right? Yeah. In either case, it's been a hell of a ride. It's been a good time. And regardless of what happens tomorrow, I'm having a hell of a lot of fun today. And I've had a hell of a lot of fun ever since this crazy, insane endeavor began. And that includes the goddamn police showing up at my door because of my psych med vids doing a health and welfare check. And as I told the cop, yeah, although I don't need it, thank God you guys do these things, and thank God I've got people in my circle that care enough about me, man. Because in some cases, this type of thing saves lives. I said, and also, I said, by the way, officer, thank God for you and you doing your job. I said, I tried to get my son to become a state cop, but he said it's just straight up too dangerous. And he got a job with the United States Postal UPS, I'm sorry. God, he'd kick my ass. He works for UPS. Some bitch makes the same amount. Anyway, man. Back to the subject, the topic ahead. Look! Equal views. 4 hours ago. Let's call it 30 minutes. This video is 8 times as old as the rant video, and they have equal views. Thanks for watching, man. I do enjoy doing this type of thing. So, yeah, let me think. Will this video be edited? Yeah, why not, man? Oh, I I've got an outro for you. I was on an outro kick the other night, man. I got some good ones from my childhood. Good ones from the youth of an aging baby boomer. Goddamn. 73.
When there's danger, this is the way he keeps from being hurt. Sometimes it even saves his life. That's why these children are practicing to duck and cover just as you do in your school. We all know the atomic bomb is very dangerous. Since it may be used against us, we must get ready for it, just as we are ready for many other dangers that are around us all the time.